Alright, so we are in step 21.9, which is all about distributing presentations, printing handouts, and speaker notes. So you can print individual slides, handouts, the presentation outline, and speaker notes. You can also prepare handouts by formatting the slides in the various page layouts available in your Word document. So let's go ahead and get started with this step. We will first save our dogs as dogs 4 as dogs 5. Alright, now let's go to our File tab and click Print to open the print options. Now, in the middle pane under Settings, the Print All Slides is already selected, and a preview of the first slides as it will print appears in the right pane, which is right here. Click the next page button. If you look down here, you're able to advance your slides. Right now I'm on 6 of 6, so if I click right next page, nothing happens, so I will go backwards. Depending on where you are in your presentation determines the arrow you will click on, but as you can see, I'm able to preview all the slides that will actually print on a separate page. So if you were able to print the slides, each slide will fill the page in full color and in landscape. So in the middle pane under Settings, Print All Slides, drop down on this arrow and notice that there are other options. Click the custom range, and when you click the custom range, it brings up slides and a box, so you're able to print custom pages just like you learned how to print custom pages in Word. So say for example we wanted to print pages 1 through 3, so that would print pages 1, 2, and 3, and then separate the next number by a comma and add 6. So we would actually print pages 1, 2, 3, and 6 of our slideshow presentation. Now, under Settings, click Full Page. So let's drop down right here and notice that all the various options we have. Under Handouts, click your 6 slide horizontal. Now, notice that although you chose a 6 slide layout, only 4 slides are actually displayed because we decided that we only wanted to print 4 slides here. So we don't have 6 slides to print in our custom range. So if we were to print the handouts, the page would print in full color and in portrait orientation. Now, under the Settings, click the 6 slide horizontal, which we've already selected. Under Handouts, click the 3 slide layout. The preview changes to now include lines for notes next to each of the printed slide. So if you wanted to print notes for your audience, it allows them to take notes based on each slide that you present to your audience. So we simply drop down, and the difference is handouts. We selected 3 slides with the notes. All right. So let's click on the next arrow to look at the next page. And notice we have 2 pages that the 4 slides print on. So under settings, go back and click notes pages. Go back, drop down on your arrow again, and this time select your outline view. And notice the outline view looks similar to when you're in your normal slideshow and you go to outline, the tab next to your slideshow, your slide view. So it shows, if you go back, let's see, can we click back? No, it won't let us click back. But notice we have the 4 slides here. So it doesn't take up much of one sheet of paper at all. So if the slides contain text in the placeholders, notice the text is displayed in your outline. However, when you add text, add a text box to your slide, as you did in slide 3 in this presentation, the text box is not displayed. All right, so in the left pane, click Save and Send. And notice that in the middle pane under File Types, select Create Handouts. And in the right pane, click the Create Handout button. The Send to Microsoft Word dialog box opens, displaying several options for page layout. In the Send to Microsoft Word dialog box, enable the option Blank Lines next to Slides, and then click OK. Alright, so right now you should have a Word document blinking where a new Word document is created and opened. And when we open up the dialog box, notice, trying to open it without opening full screen. Oh, let's go back. Okay, so notice the slides were actually copied to a Word document. The same slides, the 1, 2, 3, and 6 that we had set for custom print. So remember, guys, when you go to File and Print, you save lots of paper and lots of ink by selecting custom prints to maybe print your selected slides on one sheet or a custom range. But remember, when you print your full slides, all the color in the background prints as well, which is a lot of ink. So avoid that if all possible. Another option that you have is to print a pure black and white, which does reduce definitely on color, but that is another option. And we also went to Save and Send, and under File Types, we created handouts in Microsoft Word by selecting blank lines next to the slide. So you've learned various ways how to customize your print in PowerPoint. save this document. I will see you on the next step.